What is up, everybody? It has been a minute since I've posted on this channel. Actually, in my last video I said that I was going to be posting a lot more, but yeah, that did not end up happening because the store I was actually making a video on ended up doing over $400,000 in sales in just over 5 months. So it required a lot of my attention, but the other day I put up a story because I wanted to make YouTube videos again, and the story was the common struggles that people go through with dropshipping or starting dropshipping, and I found the common variable was that people didn't know how to find products. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys the exact method that I use to find products, and I used this about 5 weeks ago, and I've had a store that's already done over around $30,000. Now you may have seen people show you multiple ways on how to find winning products through like Google Trends and the Dropshipping Center and things like that. Now I never use these ways. The way that I'm going to show you, I've never seen anyone talk about before. It's going to be the most cost efficient and accurate way in my opinion, so let's get straight into it. These steps include searching Facebook and Instagram for ads, analyzing ads library and their ad spend, finding a trusted supplier. Now I know this is a way that majority of successful dropshippers do show, but they don't show you how to analyze the ad spend, which is really important when it comes to knowing to run a product or not. So the goal is to analyze their ad spend like I just said, and anything over $100 ad spend is worth running in my opinion. So in this first step, the goal is to become an active ad engager. And for those of you that don't know how to do this, it's very straightforward. It's a simple process. All you need to do is any ad you see, you basically want to click on it. So once you click on it, add it to your cart, initiate the checkout, and then abandon the checkout. And over a period of time, if you keep doing that, Facebook will categorize you as an engaged shopper, which means you'll be getting hit with a lot more ads on your feeds on Instagram and Facebook. Now, if you aren't receiving ads, my best suggestion would be to look up some e-commerce websites such as like High Smile, Carbon Cocoa, Snow White Teeth, and e-commerce and big e-commerce brands like that, and do the same process. So add it to your cart and then abandon the checkout, and you'll see over time that you'll start receiving more ads on your Instagram and Facebook. I also suggest using Turbo Ads Finder, which is basically just a Chrome extension that removes all social posts off your feeds and only shows you ads. So the link for that will be in the description. Now we go into step 2, which is analyzing their ads library and their ad spend. In most videos I've watched, the majority of them will tell you to analyze the creative. Now the reason I don't do this is because the social proof on the creative does not accurately predict the advertiser's sales. To get a prediction of sales, it's better to analyze the ads library. To do this, search the Facebook page's name in the search bar, then select the correct page. Once you are in the ads library, select filtered by all. This will show you all the ad sets the advertiser is running. Now on the top left corner, you are able to see how many ad sets are active. For example, this page is running 290 ad sets. The rule of thumb with Facebook ads is that the minimum spend is $5 per ad set. Now if we times 5 by 290, that equals $1,450. We can now approximate that this advertiser is spending over $1,450 a day, which can estimate to be over $1,450 in sales a day, at the very least, as you would not run a product that wasn't profitable or that you couldn't see potential in from the data you have gained. As I said earlier, anything over $100 ad spend is worth testing in my opinion. So once you have a product, it's time to move to step 3, which is finding a trusted supplier. Now, for those of you that don't know what AliExpress is, basically it's a wholesale Chinese website that ship dog shit products around the world, where people like me and other dropshippers make millions from. That was an actual joke, guys. They're not dog shit. Not everything is dog shit on this wholesale website. All jokes aside, guys, it's very straightforward. All you want to do is enter your product name or keywords into the search bar, click search, select by most orders, then check the customer feedback of that supplier. You can check the product photos and comments to assure that they are safe and trusted. It is important to know that you should only shop via e-packet courier. If your supplier does not have e-packet or EMS, I suggest finding another one. Majority of products will have a shipping time of 10 to 40 days, which is something that you're going to have to deal with in the start of starting a new store. Now, when you start making 10 to 15 to 20 sales a day, you're able to avoid that situation by getting a private supplier. Now, if you don't know how to do that, you can just DM me on Instagram and I'll help you out by getting you mine. Doing this will reduce your shipping time to around 7 to 10 days worldwide and will also increase your margins. So let's do a video recap. Step 1 was searching Facebook and Instagram for ads. Step 2 was analyzing the ads library and their ad spend. And step 3 was finding a trusted supplier. So guys, I really hope you did find some sort of value in this video. If you didn't, that's fine. I just never seen a way shown like this, and it's exactly what I use to make money online. So if you found some sort of value, if you could leave a like, that would mean so much to me. Like literally, my last video got a lot of likes for me, not for anyone else, but like it just felt good to know that you guys do want these kind of videos. And if you want to suggest a video, feel free to leave a comment down below. Make sure you subscribe, follow my Instagram. I need that clout. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.